Hello, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to embed a Google Sheet or document into a website, specifically Canvas, that the students can edit directly on Canvas without opening up the Google Sheet. So you want to go to your Google Sheet, go ahead and click on Share, and then make sure you change this down here to anyone with the link can edit. Then you want to copy this link and put it somewhere you can easily access. So I'm just going to use stickies and just keep that off to the side somewhere. Go ahead and click done. Now we want to get the embed codes. You're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. Go ahead and go to Embed. I just want this particular sheet. Click Publish. And then now you want to copy the embed code. I'm going to put it on that same note that I had before. Okay, so now we want to go into Canvas and put this in the page that we want to embed it in. So this is a new page. I called it Participation Tracker. You name it whatever you want. But to do your new page, just go into Pages. Go ahead and show you how I did this part. View All. And then up here in the top right, you're going to add a new page. Then you need to click over here where it says HTML Editor. Now you want to go ahead and paste that entire embed code that it gave you. But instead, right here, after this quotation, all the way down to the 0, you want to get rid of that. Go back to the one you had before, the sharing code, copy that, and paste that where the other one used to be. Now, if you publish like this, you're going to get a really small spreadsheet. I'll show you. And that's not very usable. So in order to make that larger so you can actually see it, go back to the HTML editor. Right after the word frame, you can type in height equals, I found that the best height for mine was about 750 pixels. And then the width, I like about 930. Now if you click save, it's a lot larger. And the students, when they log in here, they can click directly on this and all the changes will also show up on your version. Now, let's say there's part of this sheet that you do not want the students to be able to edit. All you need to do is set restrictions. So I don't want them to change anyone's name. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight that. Then if you hit Command, this is gonna also highlight that first row, but you can just pick whichever cells you want to protect. Then you go over to Data, Protected Sheets and Ranges, then click Set Permissions, and then restrict who can edit this. Right now it's on only you. You want to click Done. And now, as they try to type over here, they shouldn't be able to edit. I still can because I'm still logged into my Google account, so I can still change these names, but your students won't be able to.